Okay, so today I'm going to try and teach you how to copy a segment. So the segment that I want you to copy is segment AB, which is this portion right here. So in order to copy this segment, I have to have some random segment, I don't know, something, some line or something. It just has to be a little bit longer than AB, because if I'm going to copy it, I'm going to have it at least just as long as. Okay, so this point right here I'm going to put on my new copy, and this is my copied version, with this being the original version. Okay, that really makes a difference whenever you start copying these things. You have to know which one is the original and which one is the copy. So since this is the copy and this is where it came from, then that means that this point came from A, so therefore it is marked A prime. Now, at some point, I am looking for a segment that is that long. So I can't just guess. I'm not sure. It might be here, or here, or here, or here, or here. I really do not know where it is. So I use this genius tool called a compass. And this compass, if you'll notice, it has a pointy end and a pencil end. So the pointy end I am going to put on A, and I will stretch it out. Turn, turn, turn. Mine is a bow compass, so as I turn it, I'm going to set my compass at B. Now you as a student need to prove to the teacher, that's me, prove to the teacher that you have indeed set your compass. So you have to make a mark right here showing that you have indeed set your compass. I'm going to draw it in pink here so that you can kind of see what that looks like. Now, since I have that and I take my compass, I can open and close it, but oh look, I can't open and close it because it's set. So I take from A to B and I set on A prime and I go, wachow, right there. So right there is exactly the same distance as it is from A to B. So now I call this B prime. And if I had invented something that has like numbers or so, I could measure the distance from A to B and figure out that that is the same distance as it is A prime to B prime. That is how you copy a segment. Now I could copy that segment anywhere I wanted to. If I put a point right there and I simply opened it to there, I know that the distance from that point to anywhere on this right here. So from this point, this is extra. Anywhere on this is going to be a segment from A prime to B prime. And if you'll notice, this would wind up being a circle anyway, which winds up being a radius of a circle. And we all know that radii of circles are indeed the same.